Welcome! Before we explore everything inside the hacked client, let's make sure it's installed correctly. We'll go through every step together so you can easily follow along. The process begins with downloading the latest archive from the media file. Password from archive 4545. After extracting the files, launch the Setup application and continue through the installation wizard. Wait while the setup prepares everything for you. The installer handles the rest automatically. After the installation is complete, open the Minecraft and join me for a quick walkthrough of the interface as we get familiar with its layout and navigation.
Really mean, I don't believe when you said to me, you really need space to breathe. What you really got up your sleeve, I don't believe when you said to me, you really need space to breathe. I know something's up your silky little sleeve. Your silky little sleeve. Something's up your silky little sleeve. Your silky little sleeve. I seen it coming from up the block. Must be the one that you think I'm not. Let me remind you if you forgot. I'm not the 1 or the 2 or the 3 or the 5. Girl, you need space, go ahead, get your life. While you're searching, hope you find. Act right, saying you're fine. Read between lines, I was born at night, not last night. I can't believe when you said to me, you really need space to breathe. What you really got up your sleeve, I don't believe when you said to me, you really need space to breathe. I know something's up your silky little sleeve. Your silky little sleeve. Something's up your silky little sleeve. Silky little sleeve. Lines between the lines, between the lines, somehow I find you. I can't bother time, no more time. Lines between the lines, between the lines, somehow I find you. I can't borrow time, I'm tired of trying. I can't believe when you said to me, you really need space to breathe. What you really got up your sleeve, I don't believe when you said to me, you really need space to breathe. I know something's up your silky little sleeve. Your silky little sleeve. Something's up